Silicon Valley Bank rises from the dead with First Citizens acquisition. First Citizens Bank will acquire $72 billion of SBV loans at a discount of $16.5 billion. Another $90 billion of assets will remain in the receivership of the FDIC. I don't know very much about this other than complete disaster, mismanagement, lack of funds, and then complete disaster. Mm-hmm. But I guess this is good news for people who were connected to this bank in any fashion. Uh-huh. Once triumphantly dubbed the financial partner of the innovation economy before its recent historic collapse, it's being acquired by First Citizens legacy banking institution. Founded all the way back in 1898, the new deal will see First Citizens take on the entirety of SBVB's loans and deposits just 2 weeks after the bank sent shockwaves to the financial industry with its sudden implosion. And people have feared that it was going to affect other institutions as a consequence, domino effect situation. First Citizen announced the deal on Monday in partnership with the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, that's the FDIC, which previously seized SVB's assets. The new acquisition will see First Citizens pick up $72 billion of SVB's loans at a discount of $16.5 billion, as well as $56 billion in deposits. So $72 billion in loans, $56 billion in deposits, and $90 billion worth of securities and assets that will remain with the FDIC for now. But anyway, yeah, I guess if you had a loan, pick up $72 billion of SBVB's loans at a discount of $16.5 billion. So they got the loans for that's a huge discount, isn't it? $72 billion for $16.5 billion. I just presume that you're okay now. You have a new lender in this case if you're one of these loan holders.
But isn't their reputation
and the deposits? Done? Well, no. I don't think it's not going to be called SVB anymore, is it? Like it's
SVB too?
No. I think Silicon Valley Bank, they'll let that go, but then you just become a First Citizen customer at that point.
Yeah,
that'd be my
guess. Gets gobbled up.
Unless they have some other new name they want to call it. But I think at that point, most of those customers are going to want some sort of traditional, historic, institutional name they can trust. Mm-hmm.